To send a scheduled message on the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app. Tap Create New Message icon at the bottom right. Enter the recipient, or you can tap the plus icon to select a contact from your contact list. Tap Done button. Tap the plus icon next to the entry text field and then select schedule message. Set the date and time when to send the message. Tap Done button to save your schedule. Now you can write your message. Once done, tap the send button. You can see that your phone will display a clock icon next to your message as a sign that it's a scheduled message. You can tap the clock icon to see the schedule. Given to the function, you can send a scheduled message when you want your message to be sent later at a specific time and date without you have to do it manually. As the example, when you want to send a birthday wish to your loved one, right at the middle of the night. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.